If you've seen how limescale can build up in your kettle, you'll understand how it can affect your washing machine. Not only does it take longer for the water to heat up, but the flakes of scale that float in your kettle are also floating around the pipes of your washing machine, causing blockages, pipes to narrow and making any rubber seals hard and brittle. You may even notice flakes of scale on your washed clothes, so it's costing you more to do a wash. And if the scale takes hold, you'll be buying a new machine sooner than you thought. Knaus Washing Machine Descaler is quick and easy to use. It dissolves limescale and with its special additives slows down the build-up, which can begin from the next time you do a wash. Empty the whole bottle into an empty machine and run a normal cycle. Once that's completed, clean your filter. Remember to place some towels under the filter door before you open it. If this is your first application, or you have an older machine, limescale may have built up. Use half a bottle of Knaus Washing Machine Descaler. Run a normal wash cycle, clean any filters and repeat. Use your Knaus Washing Machine Descaler.